It is Saturday morning and I am in the office. I was not in the office yesterday. We were finishing a trial in Delaware County, Pennsylvania. So I have an opportunity to get in the office this morning and take care of some things, tie up some loose ends before I enjoy the weekend with my family. With that said, yesterday was a trial. We unfortunately did not receive the result that we were hoping for at trial. But at our law firm, we discuss our losses as well as our wins. Most law firms, you only hear about when a firm wins or their settlements or their wins following a criminal trial, and you never ever hear about results that weren't ideal. And with that said, our client yesterday was convicted following a jury trial. We knew going in it was going to be a tough case. We nevertheless gave it a great effort, I think. The client and his family were very satisfied, but now we move on to the next phase of the case, which is sentencing. And I still believe that we can achieve a very good result for the client. So we're looking forward to representing the client there and hopefully achieving a good result despite not getting the result that we wanted at trial. With that said, it is the weekend, and I did want to discuss with that trial getting behind us, sentencing guidelines and what you need to understand if you're evaluating perhaps over this weekend a possible plea offer that you've received from the either Commonwealth of Pennsylvania or the state of New Jersey. It's important to understand things like sentencing guidelines, prior record scores, the judge's sentencing philosophy, an open versus negotiated plea, and your options at trial, in addition to pretrial options, which include motions to suppress evidence, which we did file in this case, which we had, again, the motions were not successful, but we moved to trial and nevertheless gave it a great effort there. But sometimes things go that way. So if you have questions about any of this, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Never ever reject or accept a plea agreement if you don't understand the terms of it and you don't understand really the possible exposure if you are convicted at trial. I can't tell you how many clients have come to us with these, quote, plea deals, and really they're not really receiving much of a deal at all and are better off in many cases going to trial because the exposure is almost not even any more than going to trial. So you have to keep that in the back of your mind. If it is a plea deal, you have to be getting a substantial reduction in a possible sentence that you could receive if you are convicted following either a judge alone or a jury trial. So once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website gambonelaw.com, a tremendous resource for you and your family. This past Friday, we came out with our weekly e-update. It went out to over 3,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. It is a great resource to have going into your weekend. It is available on social media, on my personal Facebook page, on LinkedIn, also the Gambone Law Facebook page. We share it wherever we can. You can also sign up for it at our website, gambonelaw.com. You'll receive it every weekend. It is a great resource to have. It brings together all of our latest content, and it brings together one great format that's very easy to read, and we make things accessible for our clients. We believe that an educated client is in the best possible place to achieve a great result in their case. Finally, it is the weekend. If you are driving in and out of Pennsylvania, please, if you are stopped for suspicion of DUI or DWI in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, do not refuse the chemical test, whether it be the blood or the breathalyzer test, otherwise known as the alco test in New Jersey. It will not have your criminal case. With that said, be cooperative, be polite, but do not give consent to the police officer to search your car. It was a major issue in the case that we just did in Delaware County, Pennsylvania. So finally, once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great Saturday. It's supposed to be a great day, and I'll talk to you all very soon.